Hello my dear friend, welcome to back my channel. Today I want to tell you how can you speak English back to back. You know that many people always speak I want to speak English but I don't know the right method and I speak some sentences and my mind is freezing. I don't know how to speak. So let me tell you the truth. If you want to speak English, if you want to communicate with anyone, then you must work for it. You know, if you try to do nothing look difficult, but the problem is that you are unable to try. You know, if you have dream, you must have to work it. You know, if you want to learn swimming and abstain yourself from water, you will never learn swimming. English is like the same. you know if you have dream and if you want to do, then you will have to potential to do any work. You will have to build power to do any work. It is my opinion, and I don't know what is your dream. I think you must have something good, because every people want to good in his life, but I don't know what do you like and what is your dream and what to why you are learning English. Because I am learning English because I want to become big YouTuber in speaking English. That's why I am learning English, and I every day effort 100% time, because I know that until unless I practice English is everything dependent on practice, because without practice you can't achieve anything. That's why I practice every day, because nowadays practice is like everything. Because if you have dream, if you want to speak English, if you want to like other uh, state, then you must have to do work on your goal, because without your dream you can't achieve anything. you know so it is the truth that I want to share with you, because I am also learning English and I am also improving my English. So I want to tell you that if I made mistake, so please don't take mind and let me tell the comment. I will